I'm going to teach you how to evaluate this indefinite integral here on the board. We have this integral to the upper limit 5 to 0, and we have 1 divided by w plus 5 dw. Now to have a solution, I bring the question down here. We have this 1 divided by w plus 5 dw. The first thing we need to consider here is for us to integrate this function with respect to w. And we are going to have here that this equals into ln w plus 5, the limit 5 to 0. Then we are going to simplify this further, and we are going to have here that ln into 5, the upper limit, plus 5 here, minus ln into the lower limit 0 plus 5. And we simplify this further, we're going to have here ln 5 plus 5, that gives us 10, minus 0 plus 5, that gives us ln 5. And this is equivalent to ln into 10 over 5, which will give us ln 10 divided by 5, that will give us 2, and this is the answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solution. See you in the next video.